Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, bringing you a quick tip. Got an 07 GMC pickup truck, and the customer's complaint on the display dash, he keeps getting the add oil. Engine oil is low, add oil. And he was adding oil to it and overfilling. So I'm going to show you what causes that light to come on. Let's get into the video. So if you turn the key on, you're going to get a display that says engine oil low, add oil. So let me show you how to fix this. Alright guys, the skill level is about a 1 or a 2. If you jack your car up to do it, make sure you use jack stands, use caution. If you're laying your back into it, you can do that too, that's fine. I got to get it up in the air. You know, I kind of like to eat a lot, so my fat ass can't fit under this truck unless I get it up in the air. Alright, I'll show you where the sensor is. Alright guys, if you got that light on your dash, this right here is called a leveling sensor. They do recommend replacing it every so many oil changes or so many thousands of miles because of that reason. And what happens is that tells you the level of the oil in the oil pan. And what was happening was he was changing oil, never replaced sensor, saying it needed oil, but he was full of oil. Let me show you the part. We went and got this from Advanced Auto Parts, CarQuest. That's your part number. This is all it is, plastic. And make sure before you take it out, go ahead and drain your oil, put the sensor in, then add your oil. Make sure you put a new filter on it. And that's going to take care of the problem, guys. I've got a 12.30 mil socket that fits on it pretty good. And that's normally what I use. You don't have to put anything on the threads to help seal it. It does have an O-ring on it right there. You go to take the sensor out, you're going to use a hook tool. There's an opening on top of the sensor. You hook right here, pull up, and pull the connector out. And this is the hole I'm talking about right here on top. So basically what will happen, the tool is going to go on the top side like this, pick up the connector, and pull it out. When you start putting the sensor in, put it in by hand first, go as far as you can with it. Go ahead and get your ratchet on there, and just go nice and easy with it until it's tight. When you take the old sensor out, there's an O-ring on it. This is what the O-ring looks like. And when I took the old sensor out, it was stuck to the block. And if you put the new sensor on with the O-ring stuck to the block, it'll leak. When you get your new one, it's going to already have an O-ring here. So make sure you get that old gasket off. Alright guys, once the sensor's in, go ahead and plug it in. Make sure you push it in good, you hear it click. Pull on it, make sure it's snug. You don't want it coming off while you're driving. Alright guys, let's start her up. Let's see if that light's gone. Alright, looking good. Alright guys, that's it for this quick tip. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.